Hello. Today is about positivity, specifically body positivity. So we're going to celebrate body positivity with a hike. And we brought our wonderful friend, Brianna, to help us out. We're about to make a bet, and the loser has to go in the whatever water is there. There are two waterfalls. I'm going to bet that they're both full of water and going.
I think the bottom one is full of water, but I think the top one is barely any water, nothing.
This is Southern California, and it rains once every couple years here, so you might be right. But whoever's wrong has to go for a swim. And it's not that warm today.
We're just gonna walk.
Okay.
You excited to hike?
Yes. Let's go.
Okay. Here, take this. I'm gonna pee in this bush over here.
Oh, can we make it in?
You guys can talk together.
Okay, come on, Brie.
Don't film me peeing.
Oh, wow. I can already hear the water. Chris, you're gonna have to go swimming, dude.
There's no water. Look,
Who's there?
there's no water.
Yeah, this one hasn't been filled since 1995.
Nick has to go swimming in dirt.
Would not be the first time. Or the last time.
Dirt or mud?
It's not pole dancing.
I'm up.
It's amazing how much I thought this would not work. Like, I thought the branch was gonna break. Weird that I still did this.
And if
Hey,
you're
Nick.
not straight.
Look ahead of us. It's a dry river.
Means nothing. Good day, guys. Today we're going into a mysterious tube. Will there be little animals inside, little critters? Ones that will bite me, and I'll say crikey. Yes. Here we are.
Are we all going in?
I thought this was going to be more exciting,
Oh.
but we're going. Follow the leader, let us go.
Oh, it's super dry. That was exhilarating.
Love it. We're going again, round two.
Oh no. Boo.
I gotta teach you follow the leader, dude. It's not looking good for me in terms of the bet. We do not hear or see very much water, but we did find a puddle at the bottom of the creek, which is standing water, which would be bad for me to go swimming in, but means that there might still be something running.
I hear something over there.
Not a lot of water in this one. Here. Yeah, that's gonna be a dry bath.
It's pretty dry. But there's a rope swing, so I think you should swing on it.
Hey,
that's cool.
What are we here for?
Yeah, it is. I'm hungry. There's hungry, so
I get the feeling this used to be longer, huh?
Or is it attached to something?
Do you think it's safe?
Nope.
you get that.
It's shaking.
Now start climbing.
It kind of looks frayed at the top.
Oh god, don't challenge him.
Ready? Okay. We're good. Okay, alright.
Nice.
Good job. Okay. Now we're all gonna get on this.
On this side?
Yeah.
You two got it. Get over it.
Awesome.
You okay?
I don't think I tied it that well.
Here. Let me help you up.
You okay? We can't show Amanda this.
Almost very successful. Ouch, ouch. I think there's some blood.
Is there? Nope.
Here's my ass.
Oh.
Okay, we'll show that.
I can't move my
Awesome.
wrist.
It doesn't really hurt?
Yeah. It'll be alright.
Okay.
So we made it to the first waterfall. It smells like Christophe's room.
No, it smells like your room. This is the waterfall.
Technically a waterfall.
All this should be water, though. We're technically standing in the waterfall.
And this is the lower waterfall. So
Yeah, the upper waterfall is probably super dry.
I did not win the bet today, but I got out of the punishment.
Yeah, but you already rolled in the dirt
Oh yeah.
because you broke your wrist.
Yeah. I got another one. This one's great. I like this one more anyway. Right with this one?
Good,
Fine.
good.
Alright, let's go find the second waterfall.
No.
Air quotes don't work with one hand. I look like I'm doing bunny ears.
We can't keep hiking if you have a broken wrist.
We can't turn back now if I broke my wrist to get here. We're gonna see the second waterfall. Let's go.
Okay.
It only hurts when I move it or when something touches it or when the wind goes by it. I like climbing up places without thinking about how I'm going to get down. And then every now and then the thought kind of creeps in.
Bring a photograph, the best one that you own, 'cause we are never coming back again, no matter what we know. 'Cause this house has brought us up, this earth has called us home. But our hearts are no more tethered here, no longer rooted to the soul.
We have to go through that bush.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Pretty. You got this, girl. You got this.
But our hearts are no more tethered here, no longer rooted to the soil. Oh, lovers,
Wait, look, guys, we were already here.
gone by.
N loves K. Nick loves Christophe.
I will start with K.
Nobody knows that. We're going wherever we want. We live out here now.
See all rocks.
This is permanent.
See cacti.
Ooh. You see that wet rock?
Where? Looks like someone peed on it. Did you just pee?
We found it. We gotta go home.
Alright.
Turns out I was right. I won the bet. We gotta go. Is that how we came in?
No, the river is easier.
Let's do the hill.
Okay.
Sorry, Avery.
Oh, wow. Lake. Awesome.
Oh, beautiful swimming lake.
Yeah.
Or a swimming hole, as they call it
Such a really cool swimming hole.
in poor areas.
Love swimming hole. Don't look now, I'm going underneath the waterfall.
Is this where the other waterfall goes?
Yeah, this is it.
This is big.
So, let's just be clear that in the bet, I won.
Well, one of those waterfalls had a whole lot of pee on it, dude, so.
Alright, so my next challenge is getting Nick to climb up there. What you're gonna do?
Alright, this is a one-handed rock climb. You ready?
Yep. Go down this way and I'll catch you. I'm gonna catch Nick. He's broken.
We did it.
Boom.
Rock climbing heroes. This is how all rock climbing heroes should finish their climb. They should be carried down the mountain by their friends. Chris, I believe we have another mile to go.
That just means I'm stronger than you because I get to carry you around. So here we are in front of this waterfall that we went to hike for.
I don't care that there's no water in it. This is beautiful with water or without. And I'm really glad we made it here. Thanks for joining us, Bree.
Yeah, this is Brianna. Me and her went to prom together.
One of the many prom dates. Yeah.
One of the many prom dates that I've had. Brianna's a school teacher. If you need some tutoring or sexy tutoring, call her.
I was about to say, if you're a little kid and you want to go to school, Brianna knows them.
Yeah, she knows some schools to go to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad we went on this hike today because, sometimes we feel down about our bodies and we really want to go and feel motivated. So today, going on a hike really motivated me to get out of the house and get out of my head and stop viewing my body in the mirror, and instead of just like sitting around pinpointing things that I wanted to change, I just got up and started changing it and went on a hike, and I feel like I'm in a way better headspace than when I started today.
Absolutely. You got some endorphins going, you've had a lot of fresh air and exercise, and bodies in motion are also a beautiful thing.
Especially in nature, I think. Just
Absolutely.
being in nature, out, like, it's just kind of a natural workout versus being in a little confined gym. I feel like it's better for our bodies in a way.
Yeah, and like you were saying, when you're out here, you're not comparing yourself to anybody else. You're not judging your own actions. You're just trying to get up a hill.
I think when you feel like you need to be motivated and you're having the not a big drive to get out of the house, call up a couple of friends and just get in a car and go somewhere like we did today.
Yeah,
It was
just
so
call us
simple.
up. We're not doing anything in terms of like eating disorders or more serious self-image issues. This is not an educational video. It's not an informational video even. But it does speak towards a greater kind of goal, which is for us to all be inclusive and trying our best to be healthy, not critiquing everybody else.
Yeah, well, the best thing that you could do for people that feel body conscious is be a support system. And I have that with my friends. And since I've battled with eating disorders since I was 13, I have constantly needed a support system around me, and having that, like going on hikes, people to talk to openly about body conscious issues is so beneficial to me. And the bigger part of the message is that start a conversation with your friends, and if you're having body image problems, then we should probably be communicating out loud, because once it's a secret, it feels like a shameful thing, and being
it's a harder
body
thing to get over,
Yeah.
right? It's the secret that's just growing.
and being body conscious is a normal thing, and we should be able to communicate and talk about it. So, thank you for joining us today.
I hope these dry waterfalls dried up your self-doubt.
I hope you didn't cry too much, because that would be more water than this waterfall.
I am going to pee on your pillow later.
You always do.
Let's go.
It's not dark.
The witches are here. They're gonna scare me.
My tent moved and nobody was moving it. My tent moved and it was shaking and nobody was shaking it. And I was like, what? The whole movie.
I saw a leaf move and it was a spider.
There's bears, okay?